Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook shrimp with patula. It's a very simple dish, okay? So we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then patula. Shrimp I marinated with soy sauce and black pepper, butter, garlic, onions, spring onions, and bell pepper. We're gonna add butter. And then we're gonna add saute the garlic. And then the onion and the spring onion. This one is very quick, guys. We're gonna add the shrimp. Then some salt, a little soy sauce, and then the oyster sauce, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna simmer for a few minutes. And we'll be right back. Okay, simmer, guys. Okay, guys, our shrimp with patula is done. Look at that one. It's super yummy. And now for garnishing. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna off the heat now. Okay. So I'm gonna taste the patula. That's yummy. Shrimp also is super yummy, guys. Okay, that's our shrimp with patula. Is very simple dish, very quick and very easy. Okay, so and it's super yummy. Shrimp with patula. Okay, thank you for watching, guys, and then please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at D Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, D Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.